you're looking for a place to crash when you want to get away from the high-calorie fast food menu, merong isang restaurant in the heart of UP Diliman where you get to eat vegetables, organic rice, and everything nice. Where's this place? Watch this. Simple lang ang menu pero patok dahil healthy na, great tasting pa. Ipinagmamalaki nila ang kanilang organic rice na talaga namang masustansya na. Tamang-tama pa ang luto sa ating panlasa.
Wala ngang meat and all, pero yung flavors ng nila, ingredients dito, yung sa vegetable, parang maganda yung pagka-mix nun. At the same time yung sauce, so parang na-engganyo talaga na kumain.
Magaling talaga sa katawan itong organic rice. Iwas pesticide during production, kaya naman healthy talaga ang dating. On the top of that, low in sugar content and high in carb. Kaya di masyadong nagiging sanhi ng tooth decay at nagpo-promote ng higher insulin secretion at the pancreas, which helps in metabolizing sugar. All the value meals come in a fast food style combo na kompleto na kasama ang calamansi juice drink. Healthy talaga! Pinoy na Pinoy ang dating at very affordable pa. Now, vegetarian diet needs not to be expensive. Very homey pa ang dating. Ambience pa lang, panalo na! So if you want an escape from the usual oily, meaty, high-calorie food, try Likha Diwa sa Gulod. We love it and we're sure you will too.